Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a particle text effect animation in PowerPoint. But before I do that, please don't forget to hit the like button on this video, and it would really help me out if you'd subscribe to my channel as well. Okay, so straight into it. So first, what you need to do is obviously open up PowerPoint on your desktop. Next, click on New Blank Presentation. Once the blank presentation has opened up, right click on it and then click on Format Background. In the next window that opens up, ensure that it's selected on Fill and Solid Fill, and then I'm just going to go ahead and choose the background color that I want, and on this occasion I want black. Then I'm just going to get rid of these boxes that are already here. So next what you need to do is go up to the menu at the top and tap on Insert. And then what we want to insert into this document is a text box. So if you just tap on text box and then click where you want the text box to be, and here just type in the text that you want to appear. Expand this text box so we can actually see what it says. And just for now, so we can see the text because it's black and you can't see it against the background, I'm just going to change the text to red. Okay, so here as well, you can also change the font that you want the text to be. So I'm going to choose a different font. I'm going to click on Arial Black. And then up here, I'm going to click on this button, which is going to increase the font size. So I'm just going to keep clicking that until it becomes the size that I want the text to be. Make it a bit bigger. A little bit smaller, there we go. And then I'm just going to put this in the middle of the page. So if you come up to the menu at the top again and tap on Shape Format, and then click on Align. So the first option I'm going to tap on is Align Center, which is going to align it to the center of the page. Then next I'm going to tap on Align Middle, which will align it to the middle of the page. Next, just to make the text look a bit more interesting, I'm just going to go ahead and change the font to some different colors. So I'm just going to highlight the first part here, and then I might change that text to a nice blue. And then the second part, I'm also going to change the color. And I'm going to change that to maybe a green color. Okay, so next is where we put our particles animation into it. So if you click on Transitions at the top of the page, and then click this drop down arrow here, which shows you all of the transitions available to you. Then the transition that you want to use is this one that's called Vortex. So just tap on that one. And as you can see, it's just applied that transition to the text already. Now there are a few different options that we can actually use to make this a little bit different and make it look a bit better. So I'm just going to tap on Effect Options up here on the top of the screen. Now currently this one will be appearing from left. You can change it to from top. And it comes down like that. Next you can change it to come in from the right. And lastly, you can choose from bottom. But I'm going to select the option that says from left, as that's one that I like. And then next, you can actually change the duration of the transition. So currently it's set for 4 seconds. So once you click start, it takes 4 seconds to go through the whole transition. But you can actually increase this as much as you want, say to 6 seconds. And then if you want to see how that looks, come over here to the left and click on preview. And there you go. That's how it is. So I'll just show you how it looks in full screen. And that's what it takes to add a particles effect on your text in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.